how to install Roblox Studio on tablet. Now the actual process is actually the same, whether if you're going to be using your laptop, your PC, or even your tablet or your mobile phone. So on your tablet, what you want to do is first install Roblox application directly from available App Store on your tablet. Once you've installed it, all you have to do from here is just choose and tap this option here that says create. Now you'll be redirected to Creator Hub, which you'll have to log into your Roblox account. Once you've successfully logged in, there's going to be an on-screen prompt or a pop-out for you to download Roblox Studio. So all operations that is showing on your screen, even from your mobile phone, is actually the same on your tablet. So that is how you install Roblox Studio on tablet.